Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to show you the way how to create a rolling end credits for your video. So we just need to open the CapCut application. Wait until the CapCut application is perfectly open. Whenever it's open, now you just need to create the new project, and you just need to pick the background that you want to use for the credits. You can choose your own photo, or you can also choose the other photo if you want, or if you like have limit background, you can just go visit the library of the CapCut, and you just need to pick this background section, and you just need to choose one of the background that you want to use. If you want to have white or any color that you want to use, you just need to access here. I got this one, and then we just need to click add. Now we just need adjusting the durations. So the duration of this clip is 30 seconds. I'll let to make it longer, so it will be like, and after like 10 seconds, but it's too much. Okay, and now the next thing we need to do is just adding the credits for this project. How to do that? You just need to go click this text, go click this add text, and you just need to enter every information here. So I already prepared to use, so I will let to only paste it here, and I've got it. And the next thing we need to do is just choosing the font. You can choose the font by click the font section, and you just need to pick the best font that easy to be read by your viewers. Make sure that the font is really easy to read and have a clear font. And then you just need to visit the style. You can adjusting the size by drag it into the left side to make it smaller. You can also adjusting the space by sliced into the left side and find the spacing. I will let to increasing the space for each line, so you just need to focus in here. I will to drag it into the right side. Okay, it's enough. And now you just need to go click this checklist button, means that you're done. The next thing we need to do is just drag this text so that they will be like into the down part of this side. So you just need to drag it. Oh, my bad. So the next thing we need to do is just drag this duration so that the duration will be like the same with the video or project durations. The next thing we need to do, we just need to drag the text so that they will be disappear, but then it from the down side. Perfect. And now you just need to go click this add keyframe. The next thing we need to do is just drag the text into the end of the text part and drag it into the opposite way until the text is just disappear. And let's find out the result. Okay, I will let you use this so that you can clearly see it. And now you already create the rolling end credits for your video. So hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll let to see you for the next